This is the best product that you can or could use to clear your dark spot, hyperpigmentation, sunburn. If you have this product at home or in your home, I promise you that you're gonna get rid of all the stuff that you're having on your face or body.
I was a lonely silhouette, needed somebody to show the way. Yeah, I was a heartbeat with no sound till you came around. Yeah, you showed me colors, light in the darkness. You were the only thing I needed. Then we got older, but we stayed the same. Swear that we never lost the flame.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you a simple product that you can get or could actually use to get rid of your dark spot, hyperpigmentation, and sunburn. It's a very popular product anyway, so you can actually get this to clear those things off. So what you need to do is to make sure that you stick to this video, watch this video to the end so that you will benefit a lot from it. If you're new to this channel, you're highly welcome. Hi, my name is Naya. In this channel, we talk about beauty, skincare, DIY, product review, and many more. You are highly welcome. Feel free, feel comfortable to ask me any question if you wish to. So for my returning subscribers, I see you guys, and don't forget to like this video. It's very important. Okay, subscribe and like this video. I'm so excited to share this video or this product with you all today, so that those of you that has or dealing with acne scars, acne, dark spots, sunburn can actually go ahead and get this product and start using it, because it's actually working. Like, seriously, it does work. I mean, it work. Okay, so let's just dive into the video right away. Okay, what products do I have for you guys today? Okay, I will just go ahead and place all the pictures in this particular area, okay, so that you can make your choice. Okay, so we're gonna be talking about this oil, body and face oil that you can use to get rid of your dark spots, hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, or all these things that you're having on your face that you don't, your face and body, you don't really want them, you just want to get rid of them. This oil does magic. Okay, so what do I have for you guys? We're talking about this. We're talking about Vit Gold Alpha Abuti, right? I hope I pronounce it well. So if I do not, please correct me. Okay, so we are going to be making use of this oil. This particular oil does clear dark spot, hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, or even stretch marks, maybe, and also it does clear those dark spots on the skin. Like if you have dark spot on your body, or your body is very rough, that is not good enough, like you usually, especially for those that already gave birth, that want to reactivate their cream or fix their skin. This is very great, because it's gonna help you get rid of those dark spots all over your body. This is recommended for the face and the body, but before applying it on your face, you just have to do a test. Just take a little of it and rub it in any part or any area that you're having dark spots. Okay, just to see, maybe it's my croc, or my increase your spot, or what, how to pronounce it. So you just have to get this and start using. I promise you're gonna like it, like the results, because a lot of positive results on it right now going on. So next is gonna, okay, we're gonna be talking about this particular oil as well. Vit Gold Vitamin C oil. It's very, 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 very great. I personally recommend this because it contains vitamin C, and personally I love this oil because I just love it. Okay, so if you have dark spots, your body or your face is not that smooth as you want, you should go ahead and get this particular one because it will give you that healthy skin, um glowing and radiant skin. Okay, so all you have to do is to get one of it and start using immediately. You can please test test it first on your face and see if it will like if it's good or not on you. Okay, so that you won't go and burn or increase your stuff, those stuffs on your face. You won't go and increase them because some of these oils actually clog the pores. Like when you apply them on your face, it will increase it instead of reducing. It will just increase it. So all you have to do is to make sure that you test it overnight and see how your skin will react to it. Okay, so next on the list is going to be turmeric super whitening oil, right? Yes, this is actually amazing as well. If you have dark spots, hyperpigmentation, sunburn, and you're searching for something to get rid of them, this is best, or a nice one. You can also give it a try as well because it will also get rid of those things or those stuffs that you're having. It also include your body and face. It's for body and face as well. So you just go ahead and get any of these oils that I just listed. I promise you, you're gonna love it. You will benefit a lot from it. This is not by joke, okay? So the next one we're going to be talking about is going to be, it's actually the alpha arbutin. I will just talk about the scrub. I'll place the picture here, the oil and the scrub. Okay, you can go ahead and get the scrub and the oil. Just get the two sets together and make sure you scrub your face 1 or 2 times to 3 times in a week, and then follow it up with the oil. I promise you, you're gonna glow, my girl. You're going to glow, like have that radiant skin, glowing skin without bleaching. Okay, so all you have to do is to make sure you get the scrub along and the oil start using. So you're gonna love it. So that is all for today's video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you find it helpful, please and please don't forget to like it. Very, very important. Like and share this video with your loved ones and your family if possible, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So my next video, I will share something important with you too. So see you on my next video. Bye.